So me just put on me pants and me shirt and me shoes and me touching at the streets, me go look it. If me not care, me a foot it. Anyway the vibes.
Hi guys. Welcome to another road trip. We're getting breakfast here in Crossroads. And then we'll figure out where we're going after that. You know that white foamy looking thing that you're looking at the surface of the water, that actually gets converted to salt. I'm gonna tell you a quick little thing about Yallahs Ponds. Okay, so I wanted to interview some locals, but they were way too shy. So the information that I got from them along with my own research was that, you know, this pond was actually St. Thomas's key source of salt. As in, people come there and load buckets of salt to cook with and all type of things. Alright, so you're probably wondering to yourself, like, why is the color of the water looking like that? I mean, aside from the rain, it's a pond, so the color won't be as beautiful as the sea. If you look straight across, there's another pond there too. And there's a small strip of land separating these ponds from the sea. This pond is actually 15 times saltier than the sea. Can you believe that?
That camera is nice. Remember me say more this for my birthday? Okay. So, you ready? Yeah. So, based on what we hear from the locals, the truck was coming around the road. The young lady that was driving the Nissan, it seems like she got a bit nervous and came to a sudden stop in the road. And the NWC van, I'm guessing at the speed that they were going, they couldn't come to a stop, ended up riding the side of the bank, you call it a bank or the hill, riding the side in efforts to stop, ran into the back of the car, turned over, ran into the back of the car, pushing it into the back of the truck. So, you know, that's what happened. We've been here for about 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or am I exaggerating? Been parked here for a little, waiting for them to clear the road so we can continue our journey. It's very unfortunate, but shit happens. So, yeah, yeah, man.
So what am there So I'm here at Roselle Falls in St. Thomas, and we made a small stop. Over here we have Irishman.
You have to try first, then a warm water, then a wild water upon them. They say you're making any type of punch you're making, you can go on.
And what that good for? What that good for?
Yeah. Strong back.
Everything. Oh. 24th and we stopped at a local fast food place. I don't know what they have on their menu. We're going to find out what they have on the menu. So fried chicken and pork. Yeah, so it's very basic, fried chicken and pork. So earlier we didn't get to introduce Cheval. Say hi, Cheval. She's on her adventure this week. We've been driving up and down with her all morning. She look hungry. She's hungry. What's your buying?
Chicken, of course, called bun and pork.
What's your buying?
Chicken?
Chicken. What's your buying, son?
What's the organ of some of the pork?
What's your buying?
Chicken and pork gravy.
We're driving along this lonely road. God knows where we're getting up, but let's see. Down a one gully, as the country would call it. And if you look to the right, up there so, and you look to your left, more gully, more father place. So we are being led by a stranger. And just like in the movies, we are following him. They are bounty walker now. Alright, no, I can't go. Alright. After yes, I'm not going no further. Don't mess up on the bank.
Why am I going to?
Oh yeah, you have to drive through the river.
What?
So I heard.
So why am I lead with? So
You have to drive through the river.
I'm not driving through no river, Leecie. That's it for me. This bag of water the rest of the way.
Hi guys, we're finally almost at our destination. We are going to Reggae Falls. This is our tour guide. Come say hi. Tour guide, come say hi.
My name is Pablo. I'm the one who say Reggae Falls from 92. I'm on here same way.
Hi Pablo. So anytime you come to Reggae Falls, you know to link Pablo.
And file on the ground. Right?
So she's not going, guys. She's not. And why you not going? Because you what?
It is gonna do a shot. The food shot. Serve how the food is.
Okay guys, so we have ended our time here at Reggae Falls and I think we're heading to Lyssons shortly. So back.
Alright, Dad. Right. Yeah, one final road.
So what's supposed to happen now? We're hanging out.
If you managed to watch to the end, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.